So these are the firearms that I have. Sentry, simplex thing, and FC. Oh my god. Let me try that again. There we go. It's cold. Out. A new one. Case of fire. That's right. Case of fire. There we go. Oh no. Open it again. It's really hard to open this one because it's like so old-fashioned. So old-fashioned. So yeah, because sometimes it's like you can never open it because it's like so old-fashioned. This one should be thrown because this broken. So I lock it, see, and then I can still try to open it. See, let me see if this is locked. Let me see if this is locked. It's locked and it's still gonna open. So I'm not gonna do that, okay? Damn!